Hi, this is Kim Monroe again. This is my Abacus project, and I'm going to teach you subtraction. Now, we all know that subtraction is the opposite of addition, and you borrow in subtraction. So we're going to talk about that on the Abacus today, and I have my student with me, and my coworker with me, and she's going to use her Abacus as well. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with something very, very basic, just because I had to get it in my mind that I was doing subtraction. So I'm going to do, and if you're ready, we're going to do 1 minus 1. So we're going to be in the ones column, so let's do a 1. There's our 1. Okay, we're going to take away 1, so we're just going to slide it back down, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Nice. So I'm going to show you that just to give you an idea. We said 1 minus 1, so I'm going to slide up the 1 in the ones column, and then I'm going to take away the... It's okay. It's hard when you're doing it backwards. Then I'm going to take away the 1 because my answer is 0. So very simple. I know that's basic. I know you're thinking, oh my gosh, we know what 1 minus 1 is. But I just want to kind of start you out very simple and show you how we would do that, because we haven't done that with addition. Okay. The next one we're going to do is 6 minus 3. So let's set our 6. So we're going to be in the ones column again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Okay, then we're going to minus 3. So pay attention to this. So we're going to take this. This is going to be 1. Then we're going to do 2. When we slide that up, these go back up. So that was 1 and 2. So we're going to minus 1 more. So that would be 3. So our answer is 3. So let me kind of walk you through that. Did that make sense?
It did. It first confused me, and then I was like, oh yeah, I forgot we had to put this back up.
Yeah, and I need to say that. Let me just do this. When you have your 5 down, and when you push it up, you're going to slide up your 1s. Okay? Does that make sense? Okay.
So we're staying in the ones column.
We're staying in the column, the ones column. So let's work through that one again. We're going to do 6 minus 3. So let's set our 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we're going to take away 3. So this is 1. This was 2. Slide it up. And slide those up, and then we're going to take it. This would be our 3. So 6 minus 3 is what?
3.
3. Okay. So simple.
Yes.
It's a little bit different from addition, and it's just kind of wrapping your mind around that it's opposite. We're doing the opposite. Okay. Let's do a double digit, just to kind of give you a little thought on that. All right, we're going to do 43. So we're going to move into our tens. So I'll try to do it where you can face me.
Okay, I'm going to keep mine this
you
way,
keep yours flat. Yeah, and I'm gonna do this on the screen. So we're gonna do 43. So let's set it in our tens. And so we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. So that represents 10, 20, 30, 40. Then we're going to do 3s in our ones. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then we're going to take away 20. So we're in the 10, so we're going to take away 20. So we're going to do 10, 20, and then we're not going to take away anything because it's minus 20. So our answer is going to be what? 23.
Awesome.
Okay, does that make sense? Do you see that subtraction is just the opposite of addition?
Yes.
So we're borrowing, and I know that sounds scary when you're thinking, oh my gosh, I don't have a bead to borrow from, but you just borrow. And let me just say that if you're borrowing from an extra column, like if you're going to borrow from here, you're going to borrow from that, you're going to bring these all up because you're going to carry over, if that makes sense to you. Okay. All right. That is my simple instruction or lesson on subtracting. I did start you out very simple. I wanted to start you out very slowly and just show you the 1 minus 1 just to give you an idea. And when I learned to do the subtraction, I thought, oh, this is a lot easier. So what you just need to do is set your number, your first number, and then you'll subtract from that, and that means deducting from that or borrowing. So that's just my simple lesson on subtraction. Thanks.